Welcome to English for Everyday Life. Today we're in the kitchen, learning the language of recipes. Following a recipe in English requires very specific vocabulary, and getting it right makes all the difference between a success and a disaster. Recipes use a distinctive instruction style, direct imperatives. Preheat the oven. Whisk the eggs. Season to taste. These are commands that assume you're in the kitchen, ready to act. Let's start with preparation. Chopping means cutting into rough pieces. Dicing means cutting into small, even cubes. Slicing means cutting into thin, flat pieces. Grating means rubbing an ingredient against a grater to produce fine shreds. And mincing means chopping very finely, especially garlic and herbs. Temperature is crucial. In the UK, oven temperatures are given in Celsius, Fahrenheit, or gas mark, a British system using numbers 1 to 9. For example, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius, or gas mark 4. Knowing how to convert between these is useful. The verb fold is used when combining delicate ingredients, like beaten egg whites into a batter. Folding means using a gentle, circular motion that keeps air in the mixture. The opposite would be stirring, which can deflate the air and ruin the texture. Simmer means cooking at just below boiling point, small bubbles breaking the surface, but not a rolling boil. Reduce means simmering a sauce without a lid so the liquid evaporates and the flavor concentrates. You might say, reduce by half meaning cook until the volume is 50% of the original. Season to taste means add salt, pepper, or other flavors until it tastes right to you. This is the chef's judgment call, no fixed measurement. Rest means leaving cooked meat or baked goods to stand before cutting. Resting allows juices to redistribute. Cut too soon and they spill out. Today we covered preparation verbs, temperature, folding, simmering, reducing, seasoning, and resting. Recipes become much easier once you speak the language. See you next time.